If you're thinking about moving to Bowling Green, Kentucky, this video is going to save you from a few surprises. Because Bowling Green is one of the fastest growing cities in Kentucky right now, a lot of people are moving from out of town for things like jobs, affordability, and lifestyle. But every city has pros and cons, and today I'm going to give you the honest truth about living in Bowling Green. The good, the bad, and the things people usually don't realize until after they move here. I'm Nikki Adams, a realtor here in Bowling Green, and I work with a lot of relocation buyers. So this comes directly from what people love after moving here and what catches them off guard. Let's start with the biggest reason people move here in the first place. Pro number one, cost of living. One of the biggest advantages of Bowling Green is definitely affordability. Compared to national averages, the cost of living here is lower in several major categories, especially housing. So Bowling Green has had an average sales price of around $290,000 for the last couple years and has historically offered more home for the money compared to the larger cities like Nashville or Louisville, which is why we see a lot of buyers relocating here from higher cost markets. Property taxes are also relatively low compared to many other states, which helps keep long-term ownership costs more manageable. Now, prices have increased over the last several years, just like everywhere else, but compared to many mid-sized cities, Bowling Green still offers really strong value, especially for families or buyers who are looking for more space. Pro number two, job growth and economy. Another major reason people move here is definitely job stability and growth. Bowling Green has a diverse local economy that includes manufacturing, healthcare, education, and logistics. The GM Corvette assembly plant is one of the largest employers in the area, and along with that, we have the growing industrial trans park, which offers jobs to thousands of people. You also have Western Kentucky University, which brings thousands of students, jobs, and economic activity into our city. Because of this mix, Bowling Green isn't heavily dependent on just one industry, which helps create a more stable local economy compared to smaller towns. Pro number three is location. Location is another huge advantage. Bowling Green sits right along Interstate 65, which means you're about 1 hour from Nashville and roughly 2 from Louisville. That makes it very attractive for people who want to access a major city without paying major city prices. A lot of residents work locally but enjoy easy weekend trips to Nashville for entertainment, concerts, or to catch flights. You get a smaller town feel with big city access nearby. Pro number four, family friendly and lifestyle. Bowling Green is very family oriented. There are a lot of parks, youth sports, community events, and outdoor activities. Lost River Cave, Beach Bend Park, and the Green River area give residents options for outdoor recreation without even having to leave town. The city has continued investing in downtown development and public spaces, which has made the area more active over the past several years. For families especially, many people appreciate the slower pace compared to the larger metro areas. Con number one, rapid growth and traffic. Now let's talk about the cons. And this is something almost everyone notices. Bowling Green is growing fast, and sometimes the infrastructure hasn't fully caught up yet. So areas like Scottsville Road, Campbell Lane, and Nashville Road can get really congested during those peak hours, especially if you're traveling near retail and shopping areas. If you're moving from a major city, this may not bother you much, but if you're coming from a smaller town, traffic can feel a little heavier than expected for a city this size. Con number two, limited big city amenities. Another thing to consider is entertainment and amenities. Bowling Green has plenty of restaurants and local spots, but it's not a major metro area. You won't have the same level of nightlife, shopping variety, or entertainment options as you would in Nashville or Louisville. For many people, that's actually a benefit. But if you're used to that big city convenience, you may find yourself driving to Nashville more often than you expect. Con number three, housing competition in certain price ranges. Because Bowling Green has been growing, certain price ranges, especially those entry-level and mid-range homes, can feel really competitive. Well-priced homes tend to move quickly, especially in popular school zones or newer subdivisions, and that's not necessarily a negative, but it does mean that buyers need to be prepared and be ready to move quickly when the right property hits the market. So, who is Bowling Green perfect for? Bowling Green is a great fit for people who want lower cost of living, a strong job market, family-friendly environment, and easy access to Nashville without actually having to live in Nashville. But if you're looking for a big city nightlife or constant entertainment, this may feel a little quieter than what you're used to. If you're thinking about moving to Bowling Green and want help figuring out what area fits your lifestyle best, reach out to me anytime. I help a lot of buyers relocate here, and I can help you avoid the common mistakes people make when moving to a new city. If this video helped you, hit subscribe because every week I'm putting out videos about living, buying, and investing in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Be sure to check out the next video to learn more about why certain homes sit on the market when others sell.